The objective of the internship program was to expose students to a work experience so that even when they are making the applications in the Ivy League universities, it could give them an upper hand over the other applicants. We've had students that were able to be admitted in Ivy League universities on the basis of the internship experience.
We've had the opportunity to intern here at Ahmed Nasser Abdullahi Advocates Farm. It's been a great opportunity and we've managed to do a lot of things within a short period of time. And we were guided by, very talented advocates who helped us understand, just how the courtroom session was working and how the case was flowing. We've also been managing a lot of documents.
I've had the opportunity to attend 3 different court sessions where I have written down everything the plaintiff, defendant, and judge have said in order to draft a court attendance sheet.
In general, this entire thing has allowed us to sort of gain a lot of certainty in our career. For me personally, it's made me a lot more certain for my future. It has allowed me to develop practical skills, just beyond my textbooks and what I learned in school.
I'm here at KCB Langata branch as an intern. I've been doing tasks such as money counting. I've also been dealing with customers, opening accounts. It's been a good experience. It's been good exposure. I've gotten to learn so much about the behind the scenes of the bank, and I've gained so much experience from just the time I've been here.
From the teller line, I've learned how to deposit, withdraw, and transfer money from different accounts. So that would be really good for my entrepreneur and journey endeavors in the future.
For the past 4 weeks, I have been interning at Outsource Designs. And so far, I've learned the basics of architecture. I've learned how to do sketches, elevation drawings, and I've taken some experiences in the field.
We learned how to do lines and shapes freehand. That whole experience has taught me how buildings are developed from the plan to the foundation to now the actual finish.
As I learned and I gained experience more and as I made more connections, I've started to be more passionate about architecture. And I'm certain that this is the field I would want to pursue in the future, and I will stick to it till the end.
It's helped me confirm that this is the career I'd want to go into. And now I'm really looking forward to going to university and studying interior designing.
I am pursuing a career in psychology, hence my internship at Optimum Center. A lot of the work that I've been doing at Optimum Center has been observational, so I get to sit into group therapy sessions with the clients who are recovering addicts of different kinds, and I get to observe and record their behavior into files that are reviewed by their psychiatrists. I have a pros and cons list now based on my experience here. I do want to pursue psychology still. Just what branch has changed? Initially it was counseling, but I realized that there's a lot of clinical psychology that I would enjoy more than counseling psychology.
Currently, I'm placed at Safaricom for internship. We've been able to visit different divisions, which is a channeling department.
I'm going to financial services, which is basically M-Pesa. I'm going to channeling, which is the distribution of Safaricom products to the end user.
I've been able to get first-hand experience that is going to help me in my career choice, which is software engineering.
This experience has allowed me to reinforce the choice of career that I'm going into, see the real world and understand how it really is in the corporate environment.
I've been placed at the International Commission of Jurists for the internship program. My work here has mainly consisted of research, like delving into the mechanizations of the legal system, the judiciary, with particular focus on economic justice, which I feel is very vital to me, especially because I do want to get into law.
I'm an intern at Kenyan Mission to UNEP and UNON, and my experience here has been enriching. As a student who wants to do both law and international relations, coming here has allowed me to know more about the diplomatic side when it comes to what I want to do. And I've been able to know more about the purpose of this office and how other countries represent their interests, and even be able to interact with them as well.
I'm here at Realtor Fashions for my internship. I've worked on beadwork and stitching, and I really learned that those two things could be really important because the smallest detail done wrong could really hinder the whole process of your work. I expect to learn how to use a sewing machine properly, as I have been wanting to. And I also expect to learn how to mix and match different types of fabrics. All of the things that I am learning in the current process are going to teach me slowly and help me through my course of fashion whenever I go into university.
I am currently doing an internship at Car in General. Thus far, we've gotten to learn so much about different automotives, from motorcycles to water pumps to generators. There's a lot of things that we've gotten to learn, and we've managed to discover the inside of an engine. They've taught us all the different parts and how they work. We've managed to work on the headlights, work on all the different light parts, the indicators, and go specifically into the wiring and just understand how overall the system works and how it comes together to sort of allow people to get from one place to another, for example, in specifically referring to motorbikes. This experience has been so enlightening for me to be able to deepen my interest in mechanical engineering and really solidify and know that this is what I've wanted to do.
I am currently an intern at the Mater Hospital and a student of Light International School. I was shadowing a doctor who deals with the main emergencies, the immediate emergencies. You get to see how quick they're supposed to respond. Think of a solution, stabilize the patient, and how they deal with each emergency. And I got to see how my future would be and how I should plan out for the future.
I was able to learn about the different tests that are carried out by the lab technician at the laboratory, and it was a great experience.
TIMIL have been a very good company to intern at. They've taught me a lot about coding, which is something I've been passionate about.
We started with website development using HTML and CSS, and then moved to other programming languages like Python.
And they've also helped me to, improve on my basic coding skills that I already have.
It's a whole different experience and allows me to know what to expect in the field of software development.
We've seen an upward trajectory in the number of students interested in the internship program, as we've also seen growth in the number of companies that have actually believed in the call for this internship program. So to our partners, we say thank you, danke, gracias, merci, asante sana.